Hello everyone, welcome back to iCAD. In today's 3D CAD tutorial, we will design this drawing. This is a very simple drawing. It's just a random sketch that I found online, and I thought it's better to show some new things in holes. So let's get started. First, I will take top plane to design the orb round extrusion. As you can see, first I will directly take orb round. Yeah, now we will start giving dimension. This is 40 mm, so it should be the same on the other side, and the center distance is 60 mm, and it is extruded for 40 mm. For blind 40 mm. Okay, and the next is I will convert this entity and close this. This is extruded for another 40 mm. No, I'm sorry, not 40 mm, but 30 mm. Again, I'll extrude this for 30 mm. 30 mm. Done. I know there's a circular hole, but I'll do that later. And next is rib. Okay, I will go to. I can either do the rib normally or okay, I'll just do the rib normally. I'll take this plane and 45 degree, right? This is 45. Generally we all give rib at the center, but this time I'm giving it from the corner, so no need to worry. We can change that in the rib settings. I'll just convert this entity now because I don't want to draw another line and then give it 45 degree angle, right? Next is I'll go to rib, select this line, and as you can see here, there are options: first side, middle side, and then the second side. I'll select second side, and the direction should be the first one. It is correct, and we need to invert this. The width of the rib is 10 mm, that's right, and click OK. Our first rib is now ready, and repeat the same for this sketch. It should be first side or second side. Okay, our ribs are now ready. Next is we need to provide, there is a cut over here of 30 by 20, so let's do that. I'll take right plane and this is 30 by 20, so I'll directly give the dimensions. Since it's 30 and I'm starting from the center, it should be 40 here, and this should be 30 because width doesn't matter. I will go to cut extrude, make a through hole on both sides. It's not up to next, through all both. Done. Okay, the next is go to hole wizard, making the counterbores. There are two counterbores, and both of them are of different dimensions, so do not repeat the same. First is go to counterbore, Okay, reset, and it's an asymmetric. And since we need custom dimension, let's go to okay, check this custom sizing box, hit okay. It's a 20 mm through hole and a 40 mm counterbore depth. So this is 20 and this is 40 and the depth is 10, and it's at the center of this. The first counterbore is now ready, and the second counterbore is very simple. Okay, there is something that I missed. We'll go back to the whole wizard. Here there is a 118 degree, and this is not blind, this is to all. Just make sure you change that. Yes, now our first counterbore is ready, and the second counterbore is on this side. Select the same whole wizard. Now there's only one change you need to make, that is this width is 40. It's not 10 because as you can see in the drawing it says it's 40. Go to position, select this plane, not the one which you selected previously. You should be concentric to this, so here, and click OK. Voila, your model is now ready.